wonderful people, I warmly welcome you back once again to the Jofos IT Services and Trading Enterprise on YouTube. Welcome back once again. Welcome to this one and only educative channel on YouTube. Please, if this is your first time watching video on this platform, please, if this is your first time visiting this channel, and if this is your first time watching this video on this platform, then please kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all, so that when we upload more important and more educative videos onto this channel, you'll be able to receive the notification and watch. All right, so in this lesson we are going to learn how to link your Ghana card with your SNNIT number, how to check your merger status. So before we start, I want to inform you that Jofos IT Services and Trading Enterprise is a registered business by the Registrar General Department. So we don't involve ourselves into any fraudulent activity. All right, so do you also know that the payment of February 2024 salary hinges on Ghana card? So in this lesson, we are going to learn how to link our Ghana card, verify our status, and take the necessary actions before you lose your salary. If you are not able to link your Ghana card with your SNNIT number, there is no way you can be paid. Please, you lose your salary. So I'll be guiding you on how you can be able to link your Ghana card with your SNNIT number. So please make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end. Don't skip any part, because if you skip any part of this video, it will go against you. And don't also forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all. Now, the only thing that you need to get ready, the only thing that you need to have before we begin this lesson is your Ghana card and your SNNIT number. Your Ghana card and your SNNIT number are the two things that you need to get. You need to make them available. They are the two things I need to make available before we start this lesson. All right, so without wasting much time, let's delve right into this lesson and see how we can link our Ghana card with our SNNIT numbers in order to be paid this month, in order to be paid this year, and in order to be paid forever and ever. So the first thing I need to do is to launch your dial pad here. Just launch your dial pad. We are going to use a particular short code to do that. So the short code that we are going to use for this particular lesson is *711 *9#. So you click on send. Please don't forget that there is an Excel sheet circulating now containing the names of teachers who were not able to link their Ghana cards with their SNNIT numbers, meaning those teachers are not going to be paid this month. Those teachers are not going to be paid this month, meaning those teachers are not going to be paid this month, February. So let's select option 1 to merge our Ghana card. Let's select option 1 to merge our Ghana card to our SNNIT numbers to avoid troubles. So you click on send. When you click on send, the prompt will ask you to enter your SNNIT number. So you have to get your SNNIT card and look for your SNNIT number. So you have to get your SNNIT card and enter your SNNIT number here. So let me enter my SNNIT number, then we take it from there. Alright, so after entering your SNNIT number like this, click on send. Click on send for the next menu to pop up. So fortunately, I have already linked my Ghana card with my SNNIT number. So if you linked your Ghana card with your SNNIT number, this is what you see. So SNNIT number already merged. So if you face any problem, you call the number that is appearing on the screen, or the number that will appear when you dial this code. Alright, so let's go back. Let's check our merger status. So let's repeat that same short code, *9#. So *711 *9#. Then you click on send again. When you click on the send, then the menu will pop up. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on the notification button for all, because we are going to upload videos on education. We are going to upload videos on how to write lesson notes with AI. We are going to upload more educative videos here. If you are not able to subscribe to this channel, it means you are going to miss all of them. We are going to upload more videos on these SNNIT card, Ghana card issues. We are going to upload videos on how to protect yourself from losing your job. So let's click on option 2. Type option 2 and click on send. The option 2 there is the check merger status. So we are going to check our merger status. So when you select the option 2, the next thing that will pop up is to enter your SNNIT number or your Ghana card number. If you have the Ghana card number, you enter it. If you have the SNNIT card number too, you enter that one too. So let me quickly enter my SNNIT card number again, because I have my SNNIT card with me. So you to try and have your SNNIT card with you before you start this particular process. So after entering the SNNIT number, you click on send here. Click on send and let's see what is going to happen. So merger successful. Visit the nearest SNNIT branch or call the number appearing on the screen. So please, this is the short way that you can merge your Ghana card with your SNNIT card or link your Ghana card with your SNNIT card. Now, please pay attention to this one. If you have already done this, if you already go through all these procedures before, your name is still on that Excel sheet circulating that you are yet to merge your Ghana card to your SNNIT number, then please kindly go to your district education office. Go to your district education office. Go along with your Ghana card. Go to your district education office along with your Ghana card and your SNNIT card, so that they can take your details for you to be able to receive your salary this month, February. So if you like this video and you enjoy this video and you want more of these videos from this channel, then the only thing that you need to do is to make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification button for all, as we upload more important and more educative videos like this on this one and only educative channel on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next lesson. Bye bye.